First crank being put back together. Dad changed a bunch of seals on it, O-rings that were all worn out, and a standpipe that was wore out as well. But got our boosting power to keep it cranking good, and batteries were charged, everything else was charged. So let's see what happens. I'll let her prime up. Give her a rest. Yes. I was giving her a little rest. There we go. Oh, yes. Woo! Woo! He's running amazing. Better than ever. Love it. Oh yeah. Best I've heard it sound in a long time.